If you want to update your iPad 10th generation to iPadOS 18.4 or something like that, make sure you connect it to the internet, then open settings, general, and click about iPadOS version. For me it's currently 18.3.2. Now open software update and click this and make sure everything was turned off. Now I just click the update option. Here you can see it shows 3 minutes. For me, I'm going to update this to iPadOS 18.4. Here you can see the update details. Now just calmly wait until the process complete. Okay, now it's installed. Now just tap install now and enter your iPad screen passcode. Yeah, it's done now. Now just swipe up and enter your screen passcode again. Okay, just click continue. It's completed 18.4. Initially it shows me 9 minutes, but actually it takes 45 minutes to entirely complete all the steps. Yeah, get started. That's it. It's done. I think the interface was nothing changed, but something I just opened. Yeah, it's changed now 18.4. So here you can see the benefit of this update, and that's it. This is how you need to do, and make sure you have adequate internet, and it takes a minimum I think 30 minutes up to 1 hour. For me it takes 45 minutes solidly, so you need to be aware of that. And if you want to know more videos about iPad, watch these videos.